What is going on? We're rolling.
Okay, have you ever laughed at something so hard you're crying? Whew, that is happening to me right now. Today we are gonna make a math mountain. So here's what I need you to get. A piece of paper, or if you have a whiteboard at home, super cool. Piece of paper will be just fine. And a marker. I prefer to make math mountains with markers, and I know a lot of times I say we should really only write in pencil, but here's a time where I would be okay if you want to make it in a marker. You'll need to write your numbers in pencil though, but you can make the actual mountain using marker if you like. So you'll need a marker and possibly a pencil. And then you need something to make your mountain buddies with. And today I'm gonna use googly eyes. So they're gonna slide down the math mountain today. All right, boys and girls, are you ready? Let's make our math mountain. Remember, a math mountain is essentially like the letter A, starting at the top, but not at the top, because you need room for a box at the top. Coming down, not to the bottom all the way, okay? Because you need room at the bottom. And then another hill on the other side. Oops. There we go. Okay? And then we're gonna put boxes at the top. Make sure your box is big enough to fit a number inside and be able to erase it. And then a box at the bottom. And then a box on the other bottom, okay? Please check your math mountain and see that it looks like mine. Awesome. All right. Boys and girls, I want you to think in your brain right now of a number that we could put at the top. I think last time we did 5 and 6 maybe? I can't remember, it was so long ago. Let's do the number 8. So you're gonna go ahead and write your number 8 at the top of your math mountain. And then get out your objects. Oh, I forgot to tell you at the beginning of the video to get your objects. If you need to pause the video now and go get some objects, please go ahead and do that. Great. Okay, so remember when you're making a math mountain, your skiers can ski down any side of the mountain that they want to ski down. So even if you want your skiers to ski all down one side of the mountain, they can all go down one side, and then we can write the math equation that way. I'm gonna have to put my board down, okay, because all of my little skiers are falling off the hill. That's not safe. Okay, so if I put them all down one side of the hill, then how am I going to write that math equation? Well, how many do I have on this side? 8. So I would put an 8 over here. And how many skiers do I have on this side? None. No skiers went down that hill. I guess it was too scary for them. So then to write the math equation, I would say 8 equals 8 plus 0. I want you to write your math equation. All right, so I'm going to erase mine while you erase yours, and then we're going to keep the number 8 at the top and remove your skiers. Bye guys, you gotta come back next time. This time I'm going to put some skiers on each side. Ooh, that's a fun one. And all these guys, they want to ski down this side. You can do your math mountain any way you want, or you can do it the same way as me. And we'll do it together. Okay, so now I have how many on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what number am I gonna write in this box? Number 6? No, you're right. Number 4. Sometimes I try to trick you. And what number am I gonna write in this box? That's right. 4, again. So then I would read the math equation like this. 8 equals 4 and 4. Right now we use math mountains to help us decompose numbers. What does that mean again? Decompose. Break numbers down. So we started with a big number and we broke it down into 2 smaller numbers. We started with 8. We broke it down into 8 and 0. And we broke it down into 4 and 4. There are so many other ways that we can decompose the number 8. I want you to try 3 new ways. Pause the video now and do 3 new ways of decomposing 8. What other numbers can you come up with? Did you come up with 3 new ways of decomposing 8? There's a lot of them. You could do 7 and 1. You could do 6 and 2. You could do 5 and 3. You could do 3 and 5. You could do 2 and 6, 1 and 7, and 0 and 8. Those are all the choices. So if you did some of those, show me and let me see them, okay? Your next number challenge that I want you to decompose is gonna be a trickier one. That's gonna be the number 10. Did you guess it? Okay, so you're gonna write your 10 at the top of your math mountain. And then you're gonna take your skiers, also known as tiny tumblers, and ski them down. As long as you make sure that you have 10 at the start. We had 8, so how many more do I need to get to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I need 2 more, you're right. As long as you start with the right number, you will always be able to decompose the number properly. So make sure that your tiny tumblers are the correct amount. Okay, so this time I'm gonna have these guys slide down this way. Oh, and now this hill is full. So I'm gonna have these guys slide down this way. And now I have skiers on both sides of my hill. So how many do I have on this side? We can count them. We never guess in math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you notice how I touch each one when I'm counting? That helps me make sure I am counting the right number. All right, so is that a 6? Because I'm writing upside down, so it's hard to tell. How many are on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So if we read the math equation, we would read it like this. 10 equals 6 plus 4. We could also read it like this. 4 plus 6 equals 10. I am going to write a teen number super fast. I'm going to show it to you in 3 seconds and you have to shout it out. Okay, here we go. I'm not going to show it to you more than once like I usually do, because these we're going to get really fast with our brain. Okay, go. Good. You're right, 13. Excellent. Okay, I'm doing another one. No peeking. No peeking. Here we go. Did you get it? 16, you're right. I did that one faster this time because I know you guys are super smart. Okay, here's another one. Here we go. What number is that? 18! Wow, you guys! You're so smart! Okay, how about this one? This one's tricky because it's not gonna start with a 1. It's still a part of our teen number group. Did you get it? Did you say 20? Nice job! Great job, you guys. Okay, that's it for our little math lesson today. I can't wait to see you guys again soon. Have a good day.